I cannot fall in love, but I guess this over the stress of falling out of it. Are you tired of me yet? I'm a little sick right now, but I swear when I'm ready I'll fly out of here. I'll cut my hair to make you stare. I'll hide my chest and I'll figure out a way to get us out of here. Turn off your porcelain face. I can't really think right now in this place. I see many colors enough to drive all of us insane. Are you dead? Sometimes I think I'm dead, 'cause I can feel customers rap in my head. But I don't wanna fall asleep just yet. My eyes went dark. I don't know where. My pupils are, but I'll figure out a way to get us out of here. Get a lot of this monster, doesn't know how to communicate. His mind is in a different place, so everybody please give me a little bit of space. Get a lot of his train wreck, says I'm missing, he doesn't know who he is yet. But little do we know the stars welcome him with open arms. Oh.